Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am taking you on a night point of view drive with this car, the new Volvo XC90. We have the facelifted version, gorgeous design. I mean, just look at this new front with the lovely pattern on the grille and the new lights. I love the lighting signature, and you also saw the way that the car greets you when you unlock it. This is the plug-in hybrid version. 4 meters, 95.3 centimeters is the length of the car. The car sits on the 22-inch wheels, gorgeous design. So 21-inch would be standard on this top of the line trim, and then 22-inch is the optional one, and I think the car looks so nice. From the rear you can notice the new lighting signature, also redesigned bumper, and here you see the lettering T8 all-wheel drive plug-in hybrid. More about the specs in a moment. Let me just open the tailgate. You can also do it with the key. There we go, 7-seater. You can put the seats up, of course, and now we have the cover now in its place, but you can remove this and have the 7-seat layout, and also some additional room down there. We have the cable for charging. Press this to close the tailgate, and we are ready to go. So night drive. The door handles are illuminated, and you can now notice the modern interior, lovely layout with the new screen, and also I quite like this illuminated edges and Volvo lettering. Now without further ado, let's see it from driver's perspective. This is your view as a driver, and I'm a huge fan of this interior, lovely materials, and I will immediately now start the car. You see this button, you push it to the right as you saw, and now the car comes to life. Let me put on my seatbelt, and we are then ready to go on a drive. And just look at the gear selector. I mean, like a piece of art. It's illuminated. Put it to drive, and off we go. So the model in our video is the T8 all-wheel drive plug-in hybrid. Combined system output from petrol and electric power is 455 horsepower. That allows this car to go from 0 to 100 in 5.4 seconds. Top speed is 180 kilometers per hour. And it's got 709 Newton meters of torque. And I hope you will enjoy this relaxing night drive in the city. The car has got 19 kilowatt-hour battery that allows this car to go 71 kilometers on electric power. And the layout here in front of us, digital cockpit, you can have the map view by pressing this button, or the other option is sort of like the minimalistic view that you see here. We have the Google built in, so that is very good. A huge thumb up from me. Google Maps here, and also Google Assistant, for example. So all this on this new 11.2-inch touchscreen, like the freestanding screen. Very fast, responsive, easy to use. Now the AC controls are on touch as well, but they're also pretty easy to use. You have the temperature in here, and then the air blower in this section. You can also use the Google Assistant, for example, to change the temperature. And yeah, the new infotainment system, which I think is so good and very intuitive and easy to use. And one of the first things that you will notice when you start driving this car is just how smooth the ride is. So the facelifted XC90 has got the updated suspension, and then the model in our video has got the air suspension. So the result is again such a smooth drive, even on bumpy roads like the ones that we have here in Zagreb. It's still so smooth and you will enjoy the drive. And also we have the drive modes, so hybrid power, pure off-road and all-wheel drive. For example, if we press power, enhances steering feedback and optimizes power for sportier driving. You can also adjust the steering feel. Currently we have it set on firm. You can also set it on soft. Now let's put it back to hybrid. There we go, very smooth indeed. Love the ambient lights. You can adjust the brightness of the ambient lights, but there is just one color. So I would love to have also other colors. In my opinion, that would be cool. Tell me in the comments what are your thoughts. And we have quite a lot of people outside because it's Friday night, almost 2 a.m. So they are probably going out and I'm here filming and enjoying the drive in this lovely car. Now that we are stationary, let me show you like the central bridge here from close. Again, the beautiful gear selector, and you also have the roller here, adjustable cup holders, and also some physical buttons, including the one for the volume. And the car has got the Bowers and Wilkins sound system. And this is, if you love the good music, I think this is one of the best sounding systems that I've ever heard. Obviously I can't play you the music now, but you will definitely not regret getting that option. So definitely a recommendation from me. And also I can show you the cameras. So we have the 360 view, you can have the front view, the rear view, and the sides as well. We have to be careful here. The traffic light is not working, even though we do have the right way of pass. It's always the best to check it out and see that there's no upcoming traffic. I mean, this time it was, but the other driver realized that he needs to wait, so it's all good. And I want to hear your thoughts. How do you like the layout here in front of us? Again, I think it's so well made and I am enjoying spending time here behind the steering wheel. When it comes to powertrains, you can go either for the plug-in hybrid or the petrol mild hybrid. Those are the options. And again, this plug-in hybrid gives you 71 kilometers of all-electric range by WLTP cycle, thanks to the 19 kilowatt-hour battery. And that is very good and convenient. For example, if you are driving a lot of kilometers per day, but you have the option to like charge at your work or at your home, I think definitely a nice choice. Or again, the mild hybrid options also available. So I want to hear your thoughts. Which one would you take? And currently we are driving with the 0 kilometers of range by the battery, but still with that you also have like the moments when the car is driving with just electric power. And also when it comes to the battery, you can have here battery usage auto, hold or charge. Have it set on auto. And also a bunch of driver assistance safety systems, as expected in Volvo. Safety definitely number one thing, and you definitely are safe, and you do feel safe here behind the steering wheel of this impressive model. And this is the speed limit warning, so it's mandatory by law to have it in all new cars. Here actually the sound, the beeping sound, is also relaxing. Like every sound in this car feels nice, but you can of course turn it off. It's very easy, just press this. So now intelligent speed assist turned off, so no more beeping sound as soon as you go just a bit over the speed limit. And again, this is the thing that is mandatory by law in all new cars in Europe. And I love the fact that it's easy to turn off this beeping sound. And there's also the B mode, so pull the gear selector. Now we are in the B mode. I will demonstrate you just how pronounced it is here. So I release the throttle and the car slows down all the way to around 7 kilometers per hour. So you see, I'm not touching the brake, so the car slowed down by itself. And then in B mode you also have the option to manually change the gears. So you go either to the right or to the left. So let me show you. B3, B4, B3, B2, but let's put it back to drive. And again, I'm amazed by the smoothness and the comfort of the drive itself. Remember, we are sitting on the 22-inch wheels, so these are the optional wheels. This trim, Ultra it's called, it comes as standard with 21-inch wheels, but this particular model has got the optional 22-inch ones, which personally I don't think is necessary, but I'm so impressed that with this air suspension, for example, even with 22-inch wheels, it's so smooth. You don't have a feeling that you are sitting on 22-inch wheels. Blind spot assist, you can see it in action. Let me also show you the camera views. Again, there we go. And as you can see, we have beautiful decorations around the down. So hope you are enjoying that as well. By the way, the indicator sound in this car also feels very refined and very elegant. Alright guys, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed this night drive with the new Volvo XC90. Thank you for watching the video. Do subscribe for more and see you on the next one. Bye bye.